Hey there, folks. Santee at the Arizona Ghostriders here. Part 2 of monsters. Go!
Hey, Santee.
Hey, Jerry. Let's investigate. Bigfoot, or a version of it, has been sighted since the late 1840s. It appears that the giant creatures were seen living in the Pacific Northwest and swiping salmon from the Native Americans. Also known as Sasquatch, it is probably the most popular cryptid in our country. They aren't just hanging out in the Northwest, by the way. In the South, they're called skunk ape, and in Arizona, it's the Mogollon monster. I'm sure there are more, but I have Yeti to look for them.
Gosh.
Tales of a monster in Bear Lake, Utah go back to at least the early 1800s, and the creature was often seen by Mormon colonists swimming near the shore. It is described as being 30 feet in length with a wide alligator-like head, short squat legs, and a powerful tail. The native Shoshone call it water devil and regard it as a malicious, evil entity to be avoided at all costs. There are documented sightings throughout the 1800s from locals to wagon train captains. They even tried to catch it, but to no avail. Colorado boasts of a creature named Slide Rock Bolter, which is a whale-like creature with hooks on the end of its tail to hold on to the tops of mountains until some unsuspecting tourist walks in front of it. Then the bolter lets go and slides down the mountain, engulfing its prey. After practicing good dental hygiene, it uses its hooks to climb back up to prepare for another meal.
Climb every mountain. This is just stupid.
This is by far the most fascinating one to me. Colorado didn't legalize recreational marijuana until 2012, so not sure where they came up with this one. The legend of the Red Ghost is an interesting one for Arizona. Back in 1883, a large red-haired creature with cloven hooves was trampling through camps and causing destruction. People who witnessed it said that the four-legged monster had a demon riding upon it. The terrifying beast would leave strands of red hair at all the seams. The mystery was solved some years later when a man shot and killed the Red Ghost in his backyard. Closer examination told them it was one of the military's released camels, and a corpse had been lashed to its back with heavy rawhide strips, which no doubt hurt the animal, causing it to go a little nuts.
I like you very much.
Nobody knows for sure who did this or why, and camels weren't widely recognized in America at the time. To many, it was no doubt a frightening sight. Today, it remains a scary story in the annals of the Old West. Now, it seems every region and every culture has its own legendary creature, from giant salamanders to jackalopes. Far too many to go into here. If I didn't mention the one that you know of, please leave info in the comment section so others can learn.
So, Santee, how you holding up with your second job?
Tough. I mean, I'm tired all the time. But, last week I was shooting here. I look over here and I saw this scarecrow creature. I looked back, it was gone. It was just so. Jerry, look over there. There's another one right there. He's got a red face. Oh, he's gone now. Come on.
Well, maybe it was Dan.
No, Dan's up north shooting a movie. I gotta go check it out. I'll be right back.
Well, folks, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on down the trail.
It's a red face, an orange thing. You see it?
No, I don't see anything.
It's gone.
Huh.
Suppose maybe it was Dan?
You know what? It could have been Dan.
I love it. Let's try. Let's just pick it up from there. Let's pick it up.